Hey guys, Wilde Tools here, and yet again another tool haul. Glad to have you all here watching. I thank you very much. So let's get right into it. So today's haul is from 3 pawn shops total. And what do I have into this? Well, nothing. I sold some stuff to the pawn shops today, tools that I don't need or want, and I got everything here and I walked away with $70 cash in hand. So, big ticket item first, right here, we have the DeWALT 20V brushless drill. This is model DCD777. Got a battery here, did not come with a battery. Just give you a listen. Sounds a little more powerful in reverse. Checked it out good though, it works. Both directions, clutch works, etc. So there's that guy. Traded this guy for a roofing nailer that I did not need. Next ticket item. This is a score. Look at this beauty. This is a big mama jama. This is an 18-inch Proto Professional 718S. Forged, manufactured USA. What does it say there? Proto Forged, manufactured USA, PKO 4 to 50mm, 18-inch. That is a beast. I'll show you something I have here. This is one of my grandpa's tools. This is a 16-inch Proto of Canada 716S, and this one is a 718S. So, just continuing to build my Proto adjustable collection. So, very happy with that. This guy I believe was 25 bucks, and most of these other tools were about 5 bucks in total. Actually, scrap that, about 10 bucks in total. Next, this is a first for me, brand I've heard a lot about. This is a Wilde, or Wilde, if you want to say it. This is a USA made pick. I like the unique shape to it. Not sure, I think that's factory. It looks very factory, but very cool. Hose pick. Just don't pick your nose with it. So there's that guy. I got a little Makita adapter. This bit was in the drill when I got it. It's whatever. But this is just a Makita locking adapter. So it's a Vera bit. Locks in. How's a magnet? Hold on. Wrong size bit. I'll let you know, just in case you guys find one of these. You want to know if it's any good. So it definitely is magnetized, but not heavily. You can see that. So there's that guy. It's cool. I like the color on that for sure. Let me see it up close. Makita. So there's that guy. Another one from my collection. Here we got a Fiat wrench, 1713. Very cool. Here we have a USA made True Fit. They look identical to your SK electrolytes. So 5/8 19/32. Here nothing too special. Canadian Tire Maximum, but just a rebranded gear wrench. A 10mm ratcheting wrench. Works good. You never have enough 10mm, so I got that guy. And I got this guy. This is a Jet branded ratchet. You can see it's the older school, but it sounds good. And they wanted 8 bucks for this. We've got this guy, these two guys, and I think all of those except 2 sockets. I ended up getting them for 10, so I think I got a pretty good deal. So I guess I did spend a tiny bit today, but I made it back. So there's that guy. Here we have a Caterpillar. Made in USA. Use your feeler gauges. There. Great condition. That's a cool find. Just a American Forge, 1/2-inch 12-point socket, 3/8 drive. American Forge USA. Pardon me. Now this was a bit of a find. I had gone through the toolbox where I found this, and I went through it again. So this is a 7mm Wilde USA hex bit 3H drive. You don't see 7mm that often, so thought that was a find. Wilde's got a great warranty, by the way. I never did a video about them, but I've warranty with them, and they are awesome. Got a V-Series Craftsman 3/8 swivel joint, universal, great condition. A Stanley Challenger 5/8 spark plug, 1320 HP. The rubber's still in there. It's hard to see, but it is in there. Great condition. And here we have a Craftsman. It's at a ST, China or Taiwan, but it's a Craftsman 24mm half-inch drive 6-point. Good condition, and that's a very useful size. So that is the haul, guys. I think I did away really well here. Some of the stuff that I pawned off, yeah, it's items that are worth a lot, but I got a decent value out of them, and they just were not selling online. And I also can't be bothered to sell online anymore with people that just message it, is this available? It gets old. Or they lowball you when you want $100 and they offer you 10. It's not funny. I mean, sure, offer me 80, but not 10. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, take it easy.